Hey guys, Kickadog here. In this quick guide, adding liquidity V2 to the CRO-PACK pair on VVS Finance, stake to farm for extra rewards and claim them. Let's start. First steps. Open VVS Finance and connect your Cronos wallet. Now selecting the CRO-PACK pair from the list. Choosing the liquidity type, V2 for this pool. Entering the amounts to add, see our row here, it auto-calculates pack or start with pack. Balance values for best results. Activating the stake to farm toggle. This sends LP tokens straight to the farm. Clicking Add Liquidity. Approving authorizing transactions in the wallet. CRO-PACK supply. Confirming everything. Waiting for the transaction. Success. Text confirmed on Cronos. Checking positions, CRO-PACK LPV2 tokens received, and already staked in farm since we toggled stake to farm. In the farm section, see staked position and pending rewards building up, usually VVS. To claim, clicking Harvest or Claim Rewards on the farm position. Confirm TX rewards to wallet. Back to Manage Farm if needed. That's it. Add LPV2 plus Auto Stake plus Claim Rewards. Easy passive income on Cronos. Like and subscribe.